Tony Kislov, Sean Burke, Gary Lander, Colton Ziegelbauer, Pete Morgan.
Gary Lander coming out of the gate firing 9-9 on his opening lap. Tony, Gary, and Sean all early on a 30-lap pace. Now Tony and Sean both on EQ run so far 30 to 507.
Tony Kislov in first place, followed by Sean Cook in second place, followed by Gary Lander in third place.
Top lap of the night in Stadium Truck 9.497 from Sean Cody up into a 30.503, flirting with a 31 lap pace. First and second very even, only 0.2 of a second separating Tony and Sean. Both of them with some clear track right now. Oh, Sean getting caught up with a kicker, trying that cross jump line. He's going to drop down to the 3. Gary now to the second spot. Gary got a 30-lap pace as well. Tony, Gary, and Sean all on TQ runs here.
After 2 minutes, the top riders were Tony Kislov in first place, followed by Gary Lander in second place, followed by Sean Cook in third place.
Later coming up on Colton here. Over the wall ride through the center of the track. Nicely done, Colton. Thank you. Sean and Gary exchanging that second spot every lap, but only 1.7 seconds separate the top 3 here. It's anyone's game for TQ.
After 3 minutes, the top drivers were Tony Kislov in first place, followed by Gary Lander in second place, followed by Sean Cook in third place.
Tony Kislov so close to a 31 lap pace here, 30 to 501. Over a second separating the top 3. Tony 30.501, Sean 30 to 503, Gary 30 to 503. Oh, that was a close one for Sean Cody.
After 4 minutes, 1 second, the top drivers were Tony Kislov in first place, followed by Sean Cook in second place,
That's going to put Sean in the second spot. All of them still with a shot at TQ. 30 seconds left to go. Next car leader will come up on will be Pete in the center of the track. Nicely done, thank you. Seconds left to go, guys. Keep it clean to the end.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tony Tisla done. Cole Francisco Power done. Shonko done. Gary Flagler done.
Just waiting on Pete to finish, and everybody is done.
All drivers are
Tony Tisla resetting his own TQ 30 at a 5:01. Sean second, Gary third, Colton fourth, and Pete in fifth.
Transponder was line 76701.